Like I tell you guys, when you start harvesting cucumber, trust me, it's harvest time. You see, look, I have some nice cucumber right there. Let me see if there's any more to harvest. Okay. I have this one right here. I don't know. You have two here. I think I'm gonna just pick one and leave this one and this one to get a little more mature. Yeah. Ooh, there's more. Look at next one right here. Yeah, so that's let me see. Still have more, but they're kind of small, so I'm gonna just leave them for another day. Such a beautiful sight. I'm going for a container to get these cucumber. Guess what I'm going to do with those cucumber? I'm going to blend those cucumber with some ginger. Cucumber with ginger, blend it up together, take out the seed. You take out the seed. I mean, if you want to blend it with the seed, that's fine too. But for me, I'll take out the seeds and I'll just blend it and drink it. Very healthy. That's some healthy stuff right there. Yeah, so as you can see, I start cleaning up the garden already. So I have a lot of work to do. I got to tie up those pepper. I can't allow them to break. There's a limb break with a small pepper on there today. And I can't allow that. Because the pepper wasn't even ready to harvest. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cucumber I harvest today. 6 of them. These tomato, I'm gonna leave them. I think I like them to ripen on the tree. I really like seeing them. I gotta take them and put them to ripe and all this kind of stuff. If nothing is troubling them, I don't mind leaving them to ripe. You see this one, watch? Like this one, oh yeah. I can pick this one because it ripe and you know. Wait, where did I put my okra now? I put my okras somewhere and I don't know where they are now. Okay, so let's go searching. You see, that's why I have to clean my garden. Because I ain't clean my garden, I misplaced my okra. And I need my okra them to cook with my fish soup. You know what? I'm not even gonna look. I'm gonna continue cleaning and I guarantee you I'm gonna run right into them. So I'm not gonna stress over finding 2 okra. I'm not gonna do that. Okay? Well, I love tea. So I have some chocolate mint right here. So I'm going to grab a couple leaves so I can make some chocolate mint Mmm. Oh man, this thing is strong. Wow. This thing is really strong. I like to say it like this. Fresh out the garden, straight in the pot. That's the slang. Fresh out the garden, straight in the pot. I have some other mints here. I'm gonna grab some too. So I'm gonna pick some mint so I can make some minty. Oh, I pick a whole bunch. Pull up the root, everything. That's okay. So if you look down inside there, you see that you see down inside there, and that's my mint right there. So now I'm going around looking for my okra. No, I'm gonna clean the garden. Then I'm gonna find my okra. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.